What's up, world? What's up, big fam? It's your boy Big Hurt back in here once again. And yeah, today we doing a little quick video of one of my old school favorites. It's a breakfast sandwich. And as y'all see, I got some smoked sausage right here. But it's not no any kind of smoked sausage. These the ones I always talk about. Them Louisiana down home smoked sausage. You heard me? So I got them cut like about the length of some light bread, and got them split in half. And we finna get them into this air fryer right here. Just put them in there, just like so. We're gonna put them in there. Turn it on back. 10, 15 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna come back and show y'all how we build this sandwich my way. You heard? Alright, y'all, we back. And while we got them sausages going, we finna fry up our egg. We already got some butter in the skillet. Put a little more. This is hot, y'all. Sausage done, so it'll be good, cool enough to work with. We won't get finished frying these eggs up. That's one. You just slowly let it run out the yolk like that. I mean, out the shell like that. They running together, but it's cool. You want to season them over with salt, with black pepper, and that's it. That's all seasoned. Rinse your hand off. Trusty spatula. So I should have did before I touched the camera on. I should have had everything ready. Now where do we put my spatula? Here we go. Divide it up. Try to at least. Fry a little bit more. You have your bread ready too. Good old butter bread, what I got today. You can use any kind of light bread or whatever. You can use a bun if you want to, but just the old fashioned way, you know what I'm saying? Like I like it. That's what I'm showing you my way. Flip them eggs, just like that there. We're gonna cook a little more. It won't take too long. Put this seasoning up. You don't need no more. This kind of like a whole breakfast, y'all. Just all in one sandwich. So because you got your 2 pieces of sausage, got your 2 eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and you 2 2 slices of cheese. So like you got 2 cheese toasts, 2 eggs, 2 slices. A whole breakfast. All in one sandwich. How you love that? This should be done. Okay, burnt it. Nope. Just right. We're gonna turn that fire off. We got bread over here. We're gonna spray our bread with our butter. And this what we use. This what we talking about. This spray butter. Parquet. No, I got a better way. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and build my sandwich. Put y'all over here. So y'all can see what I'm doing. Still tripping. Got some cheese down first. Make sure y'all can see it. Gooch. Cheese on this side. Put the egg on. We can grab some sausages. Just gonna put 3 on, so this all that'll fit. Just have an extra one on the side, just to eat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Throw a little mustard on that thing, just like that. Our other egg. So that put on top of them, like I said. Take our little piece of cheese. Throw it on top of that like that. Take our other piece of bread. Throw it on top of that like that. Give it a little smush mash. Take our spray butter and move y'all back over here. Make sure y'all see me good. Get y'all right. Yes, sir. Putting the fire back on medium. Might not even need it. Just get it still hot. Spray some butter down there. Take the sandwich. Put it right down in there. Smash it down. A few minutes on each side. And you also take the butter while that's enough. Spray your bread on that side. So when you flip it, the trash, mustard up, twist my hands off. Wipe my hands on. It's time to flip. Hey, we ain't perfect, so we ain't gonna even cut that. Gonna let y'all see the unraw cut. Uncut raw footage today. Gonna mess up on. Why you acting like that? Why you acting like that? Get in there. Yeah. I gotta reach my hand. Cook a few moments on that side. Put my butter up. Y'all, I like to clean up and stuff as I go while I'm cooking. So when I get finished cooking, I don't have to do all that. When I get cooking, wipe the counter down. When I get finished, I can just sit down and eat. I don't have to worry about coming back, cleaning nothing up. That's how I do. That's how I like it. It's much simpler for me. Looking like. Let's see if I grab it from this side. See if you want to act up. Yeah, that's looking good. A little more golden. A little more golden. And then it's a go. You heard me? And since y'all been here this long, won't y'all go on, all the real ones that are still here watching the video, I consider y'all the real ones. So y'all go ahead and hit that like button for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And share the video to other people that you think might like it. Or just share it anyway on GP. Just because you want to help your boy out. Man, what's up with these socks? Don't want to stay in there. Come here. Get your boy back in there. You're gonna get eaten, so you might as well cooperate. He's trying to shine on me on camera. And there we go. Rinse my hand again, y'all. File. We done. And there y'all have it. My delicious down home smoked sausage sandwich. Might not look too appealing, but it's real good. And it's them sausages trying to act up on me today, so y'all. But it's all good. But there it is, my Louisiana down home smoked sausage sandwich. Y'all try it out. Tell me how y'all like it. And Big Hurt finna grow up out, you already know. Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah, yeah.